Hello, dear students. Today our topic is pollen grains. It is also known as microspore or male gametophyte. जो पोलन ग्रेन है, this is also known as a microspore or male gametophyte. In this topic we complete the structure. We discuss the structure and development of male gametophyte. इस टॉपिक के बीच में हम दो सब टॉपिक जो हैं उनको कंप्लीट करेंगे, स्ट्रक्चर एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मेल गैमेटोफाइट या स्ट्रक्चर एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन और माइक्रोस्पोर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स डिस्कस द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पोलन ग्रेन. इन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन वी नो दैट पोलन ग्रेन is developed from the microspore mother cell. By meiosis division that leads to the formation of a haploid pollen grain by meiosis. This pollen grain is a haploid. Pollen grain is a haploid unicellular and a uninucleate structure. In the beginning, this pollen grain is haploid, unicellular and uninucleate structure. It is composed of and its shape commonly spherical. But also variable in shape, but commonly these are of spherical in shape. Its size, अगर हम size की बात करते हैं, it vary from 25 to 50 micrometer. And it is composed of two layers: exine and intine. अब हम साथ में इसका डायग्राम भी यहाँ पर बनाएंगे. It is composed of two layers, exine and intine. Exine is outer layer and intine is a inner layer. बच्चों, जो एक्साइन होती है, this layer is of great importance for the pollen grain because of its following qualities. It is hard, thick, and this is the quality of exine. It's hard, thick, and having the various sculpturing on its surface. Various design is present on this exine. Sculpturing, what do you understand by this sculpturing? It means that the axine have the different kinds of design. What does it mean? Axine can bear the spine or ridges and furrow on it. एक्साइन के ऊपर जो है वो बाहर की तरफ से एक्साइन जो है वो बाहर की तरफ को उभरी हुई होती है, जिसके ऊपर स्पाइन भी हो सकता है। ये एक्साइन एक स्पाइन के रूप में जो है वो बाहर की तरफ को हो, इसके ऊपर रिजिज हो, फरो हो, इस प्रकार के डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर जो है ये एक्साइन बाहर वाली लेयर जो है वो बनाती है। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, this axine is formed of a special kind of material which is known as sporopollenin. Sporopollenin एक मटेरियल है which is the biologically resistant material most, and it is not decomposed by any kind of enzymes. Biological resistant material. Now अब हम यहाँ पर can find out the diagram of this pollen grain. This is the axine. हमने बोला कि ये axine जो है outermost layer होती है and having the different kind of sculpturing on its surface. You can find out these are the spine or ridges, and these are the furrow on this outer surface of the pollen grain, which is formed by the axine. And we can describe the different qualities of this axine. And this layer, axine, is followed by intine. Intine is a thin layer. Axine is thin, flexible, and is formed of cellulose and pectin. सेलुलोज और पेक्टिन की जो है ये बनी होती है। This intine is followed by plasma membrane. इस इंटाइन के साथ साथ बिल्कुल एक another layer जो है वो यहाँ पर पाई जाती है, which is known as intine is followed by the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is present around the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm of this pollen grain. This nucleus of the pollen grain divide by mitotic division, and that form unequal mitotic division, and that leads to this is the nucleus of the pollen grain. This nucleus divide by unequal division, and that leads to the formation of a large sized nucleus and a smaller nucleus, and then cell wall laid down in between these two nucleus, that leads to the formation of two unequal cells. The one large size cell is known as vegetative cell, and its nucleus in the same way is known as a vegetative nucleus, and this smaller cell is known as a generative cell. Generative cell. This vegetative cell, the nucleus of this vegetative cell is known as a vegetative nucleus. It's of variable in shape. It's not spherical in shape, and this nucleus is larger in size as compared to that of the generative cell. And now at certain places axine become thin at certain places. These places is represented by the germ furrow. जर्म फरो, ये जो आप देख रहे हैं कि एट सर्टेन प्लेसेस पे ये जो एक्साइन है, दिस इज द थिन वॉल्ड, एंड दैट रिप्रेजेंट द जर्म फरो. जब पोलन ग्रेन जो है ये जर्मिनेट करते हैं